SharePoint Online, part of Microsoft 365, offers versatile solutions for collaboration and communication within organizations. Two prominent site types within SharePoint Online are team sites and communication sites. Each serves distinct purposes and is tailored to specific needs. In this video, we will dive into the characteristics of both site types and guide you on when to choose one over the other. Team sites are designed for collaboration and effective teamwork. They facilitate communication and collaboration among a specific group or team within an organization. Key features. Collaboration-centric. Team sites are built to foster collaboration among team members. They offer features like document libraries, lists, and shared calendars to enhance teamwork. Permissions and security. Team sites allow for more granular control over permissions. You can define who has access to specific content and features within the site. Integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Integration with apps like Microsoft Teams, Planner, and Outlook make team sites an ideal choice for project management and ongoing collaboration. Customization. Team sites can be customized to suit the needs of a specific team or project. You can add web parts, customize layouts, and design it based on your team's requirements. Content management. They are suitable for managing a moderate amount of content, primarily focused on the team's tasks and projects. Communication sites, on the other hand, are designed for disseminating information and engaging a broader audience within the organization. These sites are geared towards presenting content in an appealing and structured manner. Key features. Information dissemination. Communication sites are built to effectively share information, news, announcements, and updates with a larger audience. Modern design and layouts. They offer visually appealing, modern designs and layouts to present content in an engaging and organized way. Content publishing. Communication sites are optimized for publishing content that doesn't require heavy collaboration. They offer features like news posts, events, and quick links to provide information. Search-driven. Communication sites often use SharePoint's powerful search capabilities to ensure content is easily discoverable within the site. Minimal customization. Unlike team sites, communication sites have limited customization options to maintain a consistent and polished appearance. Choosing between a team site and a communication site ultimately depends on the purpose and requirements of your organization or project. Assess the need for collaboration and content sharing within a specific group to determine whether a team site's collaborative nature or a communication site's informational approach is more appropriate. Consider the size of the team, the nature of the content to be shared, and the level of collaboration required. In many cases, a combination of both site types might be the best approach, utilizing the strengths of each to cater to various organizational needs effectively. Understanding the key features and ideal scenarios for team sites and communication sites is crucial in making an informed decision. SharePoint Online offers the flexibility to create a tailored environment that best suits your organization's collaboration and communication requirements.